Hello, I'm Dennis Tressler, President of Complete Marketing Programs. Today I want to discuss how to effectively market your business using QR codes. If you own or operate any brick and mortar business or interact with people in other businesses like real estate, sales, multifamily housing, event planning, or theater productions, you must start using QR codes in your advertising. This is an exciting new marketing strategy because QR codes are very inexpensive, but yet they can literally place your business in the palm of the consumer's hand. And I promise you this, at the end of the video, you will learn about a new concept that until now you have never heard or read about. I'll see you on the other side.
QR codes are short for Quick Response Codes. They are a two-dimensional barcode in a square pattern, generally black, but also used in a variety of colors. QR codes were developed in 1984 by a subsidiary of Toyota Motors. These codes can store a variety of data and media file. When you create a QR code, you can enable numerous actions. You can browse to a website, you can click to call a phone number, you can send an SMS text message, you can send an email, you can create a contact card, you can create a calendar event, you can create a Google or a Bing map, you can browse to a YouTube video, or you can interact with Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn and other social media. Scanning a QR code is simple. All you need is a mobile phone with a built-in camera, and I might tell you that smartphones are helpful, but are definitely not required. You must have an internet connection on your phone. You must download a code reader application to your phone. These applications are available for most mobile phones, including, of course, smartphones. All you do is center the QR code in your code reader and scan. In my example of a scanning process, I use Crafter, a code reader application for an iPhone. You locate the QR code and then you select Scan. You position the QR code in the code reader. The code reader automatically presents you with several options, and in this case I selected Go to URL, and on your screen you see a good example of a mobile-friendly website for an apartment complex. Now there are several scan routing options when you have scanned the code. You can display the actual code to be saved as an image on your camera or forwarded to a mobile printer. You can go to the URL in the code. You can save the URL on your phone. You can open the URL in your mobile browser. You can send the code via email. You can share the code on Facebook or Twitter. And you can copy to a clipboard on your phone. Now, how can QR codes help your business? Well, it is predicted that in 2012, mobile will overtake PCs as the preferred method of browsing. A study found in June 2011 that 14 million users on mobile devices scanned a QR code. This same study also found that scans during the second quarter of 2011 were 10 times the amount scanned in the same period in 2010. 50% of these scans were for the purposes of finding coupons, discounts, or more information about the business or product. Almost half of these scans were on codes found in magazines, newspapers, or product packaging. Certainly the combination of mobile and QR codes bridges the offline and the online world and connects the real world with the digital world and then sends your business viral almost instantaneously. The content of the QR code is very important. Remember, the user is scanning with a variety of screen sizes. So you need to make the content fresh and interesting to the user. If you are embedding a URL in the code, use only, and I repeat only, mobile-friendly websites. The failure of most QR applications is the delivering of the user to a main website that no one can read. Grab the user with discounts and coupons. Remember what 50% of the users are scanning for. Keep the content bold, concise, and navigable with large buttons. Be creative. There are literally hundreds of applications for businesses. and then you must track and analyze. You want to find out where the QR codes are being scanned. Engage your prospect, create a customer, and develop a lifetime relationship with that customer. Now here is the little secret we were talking about earlier in the video. QR reuse. This is a little known unique application of QR codes. We've created a technique that allows you to change the content in the code, but not the code itself. Now you can rotate offers or discounts or other information on a regular basis to keep it fresh. The benefit is no additional printing costs. You can have literally hundreds of QR codes distributed and never have to reprint them while changing the content. You can use QR reuse in any business or service. You can track and analyze each campaign to evaluate its marketing effect. And this technique leverages mobile and QR codes to achieve maximum exposure and minimal cost.
I hope you have enjoyed this video. QR codes must be used in your local advertising. New concepts and applications of QR codes are only limited by your imagination. Let me show you how QR codes can help you reach more customers and improve your business. Contact me at the address on the next slide, and thank you for watching.